Do you know that 30 to 40% of the cancers happening worldwide are preventable? Namaskar, I'm Dr. Tapaswini Pradhan and I work as a senior consultant in the Department of Head and Neck Oncosurgery at the Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, Delhi. Most of our cancers can be prevented provided we follow a healthy lifestyle, healthy eating habits, weight control, and a daily practice of physical activity. But friends, what's important to remember is how close you are to nature. Because nature is smart and it puts medicine to everything that you eat. The more colorful the food, the better it is for your health. So that's how we promote the concept of eating the rainbow. Remember, 2/3 of your diet should be a vegetarian diet. 5 servings of different kinds of fruits every day, 10 servings of different kinds of vegetables. So the phytochemicals, the antioxidants, the various minerals, the vitamins, that which are contained in the foodstuff will help you to protect yourself against these diseases. Avoid processed, smoked food, frozen food, excessive consumption of carbonated drinks, salted food. So remember, your diet is your bank account and good food choices are a great investment. Thank you so much. If you want to know more about nutrition and nutritive foodstuffs to prevent cancer, you can visit and see our video on diet and prevention of cancer. Thank you so much.